Hello, welcome to the video. As you can see today by the title, I am installing a front splitter on my car. Carbon CS style front splitter. If you've seen the last video, I've been here before when Will helped me install the Auto ID rear spoiler, CS style as well. Today we're going to do the splitter. So the last video didn't really do too well in terms of views, but as I mentioned before in previous videos, I enjoyed kind of filming them anyway. And if you are kind of installing a splitter on your car and you've got an M2 Comp, I'd like to think that these videos kind of help you get an idea of what you're going to be facing, what kind of problems you're going to be facing, or what it kind of looks like under the car, etc, etc. So it kind of helps you kind of prepare what to do. So Will's getting the car ready. We've also got Will Dixon with the black M2 Comp. You guys have seen him on the channel 1,000 times. He's on his way down as well. We've bought two splitters at the same time to save on shipping costs. He's on his way down. We're going to do two at the same time. Should be a good video. Like it if you're new, or no, subscribe if you're new. Like it if you like the video. You know, subscribe and then let's just go. Right, let's have a little look. Here we go. One splitter that Will has bought for me. It's stuck. Right, let's do this differently. Gently does it. There we go. Basically, I opened it all up last night to check it, and then I've taped it all back together with blue tape. There's one. Enjoying that? Hello.
I can walk faster than that. I mean, I feel like that's a challenge I want to see.
It's like Christmas again, where I let you open my Christmas presents.
I'm peeling your iPhone, baby. Hey, Will, what do you reckon is faster, your car or that?
Hey, good joke.
Your car or that? Probably that.
Probably the Carrera. Right, making magic again. Will is installing carbon splitter for them. Letting him open my Christmas presents as usual.
How much was it?
Video will be on the channel.
For everyone?
Link in the bio. Go check it out.
Guessing that is how that goes.
Hey!
And she's done. And we'll just leave it there.
Yeah, perfect.
So yeah, so basically,
that looks nice.
Yeah, so basically what we do is we'll dot some holes, as in where the holes are, I'll put a Sharpie through them and drill the pilots and then just screw it in.
Okay, so there are holes under the bumper, right?
Yeah, what I'm saying is drill hole, put a little Sharpie,
drill holes through.
just so I can do a little tiny pilot. Yeah?
Yeah, cool. Right, so Will Dixon from Oxford and his M2 Comp has arrived. Hey. Perfect. And then Will has started cracking on the two splitters. So it's gonna be a very confusing video. We've got 3 Wills in this video. We'll just call it Will from Flawless, Will from Dixon, Will Dixon, and then me. But yeah. It's good. Alright, so we made a quick trip to B&Q to get some self-tappers. These ones and these ones as well. For reference, we've got some washers as well. Basically, we need some shorter self-tappers here and some longer ones that are going to go here, because the bolts that are in the M2 aren't really, it doesn't fit basically, so you need to get some screws. No one's going to see it, it's underneath the car, and we'll keep it secure. We've also got some 3M tape that's gone missing somewhere, there we go. We'll stick it across, and we'll keep it nice and secure, because a lot of wind force, a lot of downforce, a lot of air resistance. We don't want it going under the car and ruining everything. Cool.
Like, probably when you push your car, it's probably quite rewarding. But yeah, it's
the difference. And usually people wet and that.
Oh mate,
I was up to half throttle. That's perfect. Oh, we got UK weather. Deary me. You've all seen rain before. That is bad though. Anyway, we have little update. We have put a little bit of 3M tape. I don't know if you can see that. Just to hold it in place when Will drills and fixes it into the bumper. It's just to hold it in place. If you're going at city speeds in this, the wind resistance is just with the tape, it's never going to hold it. So the screws will be what keeps it in place. Please screw it. Give you a little idea what it looks like underneath. There's a load of screws which you would think you could use these to fix to the splitter, but with the one we've got, these actually sit a lot further back. Sweet. So, originally thought that these screws here, these ones, would attach to the splitter, but they don't at all. So the original screws are still there, and we've had to basically use the new self-tappers, which you'll see Will do it now. To screw the splitter into the bumper, but that's not going anywhere, as Will says, and I trust him. Looks way better. And looking at Sevi's car, because Sevi's got a splitter as well, he has the stock suspension. It makes the car look lower, and I don't really have the money for coilovers, and I don't really want to put springs on it to lower it, so this is the best illusion that I can create to make the car look a bit lower, but it is jacked up right now, okay? Yeah. Thank you again, Will from Flawless Detailing. I'll link him down below. If you're in the Gloucester area, need your car detailed, come check him out.
No choice there.
Sorry.
It's alright.
Right, it is raining, but quick little walk around before Will's car goes in. Oh, world of difference. And I think when Will's driving in front of me, it's gonna look very nice. Just makes it look a lot more aggressive in the mirror. Right, same again. I'll film it all. Will is self-employed. He is the man of his time, so he just gets going, and it makes me feel very rushed. So I have no idea how this vlog is going. I'm just filming clips for you. I'm gonna edit it and slap it all together in the best way possible, so you guys get an understanding of where it's going. But simply put, you need those screws. Well, for the CS style splitter that we've got anyway, it doesn't reach as far back. Just put a few pilot holes in, screw them in, keeps it in place, job's a good one. So short ones in the bumper, long ones at the side. All right, I'll show you the second car.
There's like a big chunk of it. I know. Yours, don't you? As soon as it's mine. So put it on there.
Ever?
Yeah.
Like your average owner's just going to take it down to the hand car wash and just give it a battering.
Yeah, when I picked it up, it was the first thing I noticed. There's just so many. I haven't seen, because I had a proper look over and yeah, probably at least another 2 or 3 years.
Oh, including ceramic coatings and stuff, you're probably looking in the region across 2 months. It's not actually too bad at all. So yeah, like I said, I don't think I've ever sold.
Yeah, so you've got the hose next to the car.
Nothing interesting down the M5, and then
Oh, Look at them both. Perfect. Will's basically completed it because he's got carbon mirror caps, diffuser and spoiler, and he's got the little shark fin thing at the top. He's basically done it. He's got the tips as well. Looks amazing. Ho ho ho!
Alright.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Will. Flawless detailing. Link in the bio. Check them out.
I'm filthy. These nice photos.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, blah 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 blah, and I'll see you later in the next video. They look good, don't they? Bye bye.